Summer is well underway, with a blanket of pink, purple, yellow and white flowers across our Nature's Neat sites. The variety of wildflowers in our new meadow areas provide vital food for all the bees and butterflies in our communities. But it's important to remember that grasses are also really important for pollinators too. They're food plants for caterpillars and they provide shelter for small mammals like hedgehogs. If you walk through long grass on a hot sunny day, you'll hear the unmistakable sound of summer, the chirping of grasshoppers. Some of our summer grasses and flowers will grow tall, but most will reach about knee height and are beginning to set seed for next year's wildflowers. Here are some summer wildflowers you can find in Gwent. Some of our wildflowers might not be the most noticeable, but provide the best source of nectar and pollen for pollinators like bees and butterflies. Most of our meadow wildflowers are perennials, which means they'll grow back each year, but it's important to let them flower and set seed before mowing at the end of the summer, ready to grow again next spring. Want to learn more about wildflowers? Why not try one of our many plant identification apps that are freely available to download on a smartphone? Then you can identify plants on the go.